One of our environmental goals for 2020 was to operate carbon neutrally globally by the end of last year and using 100% of renewable electricity. Now, awaiting external audit approval as we speak today, I think I can already say from the things that I have seen is we made it. And that's something to be really proud of. How did we get there? I would mention 3 points, and if you want me to, can elaborate on them. First of all, I think it's very important to really understand that climate change is a material topic for our company and for healthcare in general. And then secondly, understanding our own carbon impact and footprint in our carbon economics. I think that's also very important. And thirdly, really formulating a long-term ambition, developing a strategy, piloting around it, learning, scaling, and embedding. I think that are the 3 main points that brought us to where we are here today. We are a very innovation-focused company, and because the energy efficiency of our products has such an important contribution to the overall emissions, we spend literally billions in eco-designing our products end-to-end, reducing the energy, increasing the energy efficiency and reducing the carbon emissions in the use phase of products. That is part of our eco-design program. Last year, already 70% of our total revenues came from eco-design products globally. And with the new program, we have the ambition to ensure that every new product that we bring to the market over the next 5 years will go through these procedures and contribute to lowering our emissions end to end. So I think if you ask me what is needed, Biden said yesterday, unity. Well, maybe that's a topic also for us. It's really about collaborating, not thinking in silos, but having an integrated approach, agreeing on reporting standards, finding a common reference, a common language, creating transparency and trust, and then putting the shoulders behind it, knowing that, as I said, we need to move beyond the coalition of the willing to the coalition of the needed. Understanding your carbon economics, I think that's the next step, right? I mean, we also talk about circular economy, for instance, where we know that significant part of the reduction of carbon needs to come from circular business models, which is also something which we are quite passionate about. But also thinking about your own carbon economics, making a marginal carbon cost curve, for instance, understanding that if you reduce emissions by moving from air freight to sea freight, you also save 600 euros per ton CO2 emitted. I think these type of insights really help you to prioritize, to build the business plan, and also the financial roadmaps that are needed to make the transition happen and make it happen soon.